Dear Mike and the Pennsylvania College of Art and Design community, it is my distinct pleasure to offer my heartfelt congratulations for your coming together. And I'd like to add my sincere congratulations to the city of Lancaster as well. I have heard, and not a bit surprised, that you are all excited by the arrival of Mike Molla and the blast of energy and ideas he brings. I would venture to say the best is yet to come from Mike, and the sky is the limit with all of you working together. From what I can tell from a distance, both PCA&D and the city of Lancaster are both marvelous places that are poised for exciting development. And from what I know firsthand, Mike is that special leader who has what it takes to advance PCA&D to its next level of excellence and renown and make it a transformational force for its home city. Mike understands the potential of creativity and innovation as a means to empower individuals and improve society. He has a broad vision of the impact of artists and designers in multiple sectors. He has been an advocate for the creative economy and how it can help build a socially equitable workforce that levels the playing field and elevate its city and its region. He will be a champion and builder of a strong creative economy where you are. Of course, PCA&D can achieve more by working with a wide network of partners. It just happens that Mike has a gift of motivating people with good ideas and bringing groups together to collaborate. He has a terrific track record in Baltimore and at MICA of helping make an art school an innovative anchor institution for its communities. Under his leadership, the creative talents of PCA&D can look forward to an expanded platform for all of you to make a difference in Lancaster and beyond. I think many of you at PCA&D know this already. Mike is full of surprises. He has a mischievous sense of humor and is incapable of doing things in boring ways. So please look forward to lots of fun with Mike as well. Again, please accept my heartfelt congratulations. I'm so excited for all of you. On behalf of MICA and its community, I send our best wishes.